Welcome to 5263 Meadow Knoll Lane in Meadow Lane's condo community. This condo features 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, along with a finished basement. First thing you notice when you walk in are these beautiful hardwood floors. And spacious living room. Large couches can fit in here comfortably with plenty of room to spare. Wood-burning fireplace and some built-in shelving. Half bath on the main level here. It's all been recently updated. Nice modern sinks and toilets and cabinetry, along with the kitchen. Beautiful new backsplashes, gorgeous oak cabinetry, with all the modern finishings. Gas stove and beautiful stainless steel appliances. Separate dining space. Fits a 6 to 8 seat table there comfortably, very comfortably. With some updated light fixtures. Nice touch. Gorgeous fenced in patio area with tall privacy fence. Really fantastic for entertaining on those warm summer nights. Have your family and friends over. Beautiful tile work in the kitchen. Really brings together these warm tones throughout. Heading down to the basement. These hardwood floors all the way down the steps. Fantastic space for extra storage or entertainment. Additional living room. Other half of the basement features the laundry area. Some built-in shelving there. You can never have too much storage space. Head upstairs to the bedrooms. Another quick look at that gorgeous kitchen, updated bathroom, and beautiful, spacious living room. I have all the doors and windows open in here, and there is a beautiful cross breeze coming through. Definitely a feature I would like to point out, the layout of this condo. First bedroom up here to the left, currently being used as an office, which is a great idea if you work from home, or a place for the kids to do their homework. Second bedroom. These bathrooms have been beautifully updated as well with new flooring, tile work in the shower. Dual sinks and mirrors, all very modern. Walks right through. The master bedroom features an additional sink, vanity, large walk-in closet, the hardwood floors in there as well, and a large master bedroom with vaulted ceilings. Really warm and inviting. This home will not be on the market long. If you'd like to schedule a personal tour, you can contact us at 614-505-6212. We look forward to hearing from you.